Okay, in the last video, we finished importing the data for the tomato fertilizer. So now, in order to view that data, we can go type in the name of the data set, tomato, and it shows up that we have pot, standard, and extra grow. Now this is very nice, but what if we want to look at individual parts of it? What if we just want to look at the standard fertilizer or just the extra grow? Uh, R lets you actually choose each one individually within a data set. What you do is you type attach, ATTACH, the name of the data set, tomato, and then hit uh, enter, and then you can pull up standard, shows you all the data points within standard, or extra grow. And another thing this lets you do is whenever you do your summary statistics, you can pull up just one summary standard or the other of extra grow. You could also at the same time do a summary of the tomato in general, and you get summary statistics of both the pot, which is just the identifier, so you can ignore that, the standard, and the extra grow fertilizer. So now that you have this in here, the next thing you need to do is learn how to actually remove your data sets. So you can pull up your data sets by typing ls, open parentheses, close parentheses, and hit enter, and it shows that you have the data and tomato. To get rid of a data set, you type in rm, open parentheses, and the name of the data set. So data, close parentheses, enter. And then when you look again, you type in ls, open parentheses, close parentheses, it shows that data had been removed. So then you do the same thing again for the other one, tomato, rm, tomato, and hit enter. Look again, and it shows that character 0 means there are no data sets left. So that's done. And next thing you get to know is how to properly exit the program. You could just come over here and hit X on this one or X on this one and get out of it, but you really shouldn't do that. To properly exit, you should type Q, open parentheses, close parentheses, and enter. At this point, you can save your workspace image. So if you want to save all the work that you've done, so you know what tests you've run, you can hit yes. Otherwise, you hit no, which is what I'm going to do, and it exits the program. This concludes the brief tutorial on the intros of R. See you next week for the next part.